Morning all of you. Today our topic is forms of water. Now in this we will discuss about the different forms of water. Now water changes its form when it heated or cooled. Now you see that when water is heated it changes into steam or water vapor. You can use the water cycle. Suppose when the sun rays fall into the river and oceans, the water has been heated and it forms the water vapor and forms the cloud. Like that, when the water is heated, it forms steam or water vapor. Now, other one, when water is cooled, it changes into ice. Yes. Now, so water has three forms: ice, water vapor, and water. You can see the first one, the picture is ice, next one water vapor, and the last one is water. These are the forms of water. Now we will discuss the water cycle. Now water cycle is a very easy process. Water cycle is a very easy process. We can understand it properly because in your book there is a proper picture of the water cycle. You can see that as the sun is rising in the sky and the heats fallen into the seas, and when the seas has been heated the water changes into water vapor and forms the cloud, and again the clouds attract with one another and it forms into rain. By this process we call it water cycle. And in your book it has been written that the heat of the sun changes water to water vapor. As I told you, when the heat of the sun falls into the water, it turns over the water vapor, and this water vapor rises up in the sky. Yes, again it has been rising in the sky, and the water vapors then cools to form the cloud. It's turned over to form a cloud. Now, when the clouds become full of water vapor, it's fall as rain. Yes, you can see that the rain is coming from the clouds, and rainwater collect in the river and seas and cycle continue. Again when it's formed into the rain and it has been deposited into rivers and ponds again, and the process is continuously done. Now this continuous cycle in which water changes into water vapor, rises up from clouds and then comes down as a rain, is called water cycle. It's a very simple process. I thought you have been understand. Now in this chapter we have learned the various ways of the water, how we are misusing water, how we can save water, and how we can manage to save our water and secure the water in a proper way. Now we have also understood the water cycle, the process, how it has been continue, because this is a very important process. We should must know it, because the continuous cycle in which water changes into water vapor, rises up from clouds and then comes down as a rain in called water cycle. Now I hope you have understood the properly this all topics in your chapter, and you can do the all exercise whatever have been given in your book.